How to make a cake from scratch as delicious as your favorite bakery. A freshly baked cake smothered in frosting makes an irresistible homemade dessert. Intimated. Start here whether you need a birthday cake for someone special or an over the top holiday cake. We will teach you how to bake a cake that's moist and perfect. Light, fluffy, and covered in frosting, whether it's a classic vanilla cake or something for chocolate lovers. A deliciously moist cake is a staple centerpiece for any special occasion. Many of our best cake recipes start with the same method, beating butter or shortening with sugar until it's fluffy. These cakes are sometimes called creamed cake because the fat and sugar are creamed together using our test kitchen's tried and true methods. We shall teach you how to make a homemade cake that's good. Everyone will think you bought it from a fancy bakery. While it takes a bit of time, you are about to learn that none of these steps for making a cake are actually very difficult. How to bake a cake? First, you will have to choose a recipe you can keep. It smile with the yellow cake pictured above, or you can choose a slightly shared recipe like chocolate devil's food cake or a vibrant red velvet cake. If you are not a fan of the traditional frosting, try a German chocolate cake. We also have a few birthday cake recipes for celebratory occasions. The possibilities are almost endless, and these directions will help you make them all. But angel food, pound cakes, sponge cakes, and chiffon cakes require different methods, so read up on those separately. Step 1. Prepare baking pans. No one wants a cake to stick to the pan, so it's important to prepare your pan before pouring in the batter. With the exception of angel food and chiffon cake, most recipes call for greasing and flouring the pan or lining the pan with waxed or